What's in the box? Tang Garden. We got something. Principals can be joined, blah blah blah. Inserts the instruction. Components. Looks real nice. It's nice and big. Oh, very graphic.
Wow, look at that very beautiful Chinese girl.
Right, very. Yeah, it's very visual, so that's nice. Looks nice and clean.
Wow.
Okay, so the pages it's not that much. It's this big, and you have a lot of visuals and pictures and graphic design to really help. Okay, that's gonna help a lot. Okay, and sorry for the shadow. Okay, this. Ah, good. Always put the main characters in the back and information. What we got here? Oh, must be the game board. That's the game board. Open it up. Oh, okay. Okay, put that on the table. Oh, looks how pretty it looks already. Ah, look at that. It's just nice already. Oh my god. It's nice. And this is the player boards.
Oh, this is for
your player.
For us?
Yes.
So we put it on the side?
Yeah, wherever you're sitting. So you got different colors, blue, green, stuff like that. So all good. So you see all the space. It's gonna have a lot of things. Okay, these are main characters or the players.
Architect.
Yeah.
Like those characters.
Yeah, that's the cards for it.
So it's characters. We got.
Wait. Not for me. Okay.
We got architect, the child, the emperor, the empress, the hermit, the beautiful lady, the merchant, monk, officer, and the poet. That's a beautiful girl. Student, sword dancer. Ta-da! Yeah, we got all of them. These are the characters.
And this would be their miniatures for the characters. So definitely gonna have to paint this thing. Sure. And then when you grab them, the card, you grab the miniature, and then you play. When you have the card with you, you do the score up here, and then when they go on top of the board, then the score on the bottom there. And what else we got in here? We got the pavilion tops. This is part of the pavilion game. We got your cubes. We got this for the miniatures, so you know the colors. We got more parts of the pavilions, probably. And looks like a lot of extra stuff to put everything. So when you make everything, you have to make everything. You have a lot. Ah, that's what they meant.
Small stuff.
Components.
That's part of the garden, yeah?
Yeah, this is for the
construction of the garden, right?
Bridge. Look at that.
The lotus flower, the koi.
You're gonna have to take this apart. These are the coins.
Money.
I don't think we bought the metal coins. And then this is the garden. Tiles. Okay. I think it looks like that. No more shine. That's it. And then what's up next there?
Well, that's the garden too, the pound.
So yeah.
The boat.
That's all your stuff, and this is the back, the elements. So water element, stone, and the tree or the greenery. Yeah, see. And then you got the towel. So that one's a mix. Yeah. So that mix. Yeah, look at that. And then these are the trees.
Wow, so beautiful.
And then these are the landscapes. So this is gonna be part of this. Look at that. There's more. There's two boards. I think there's two boards.
Wow.
And then here's some more. And then we got the longer, bigger ones. You see the dragon.
Yeah, the dragon, the phoenix.
So that's part of the scenery. So I believe, let's see, there's the oh, look at that. This comes out so nicely. Oh my God, look at that. And it's two sides.
Two sides.
And this is for the scenery, so you're supposed to basically just drop them in here. This is my first time. Okay, and you just put it in there, and it becomes part of the board. This is the decoration deck. Okay, so let's see. We got the fish.
Fish?
Yep, and then there's a lot of fish.
There's a lot of fish. Okay. And then the
Here.
next pile is
The birds.
oh, so cute.
So you see the bird house. And then each time you grab the cards, you take
You get points from this.
yes, you get the token, and then you're gonna place it on top of the board.
Peony, that's beautiful. That's a good luck flower.
The art is real nice.
That's
And
a
then
good
what
luck
else?
flower. Oops, sorry.
And then we got the lotus. Lotus.
Wow.
So
Nice.
it's real nice. And then
Spiritual flower. And then this is
the trees.
Pine
This was
tree.
Pine tree.
long
You can
life. That means
so
long
top
life.
is you see the person. So it looks like you just add, the more you put trees down, then it gets higher and higher in the points of coins. It's the
Peach tree.
Peach tree.
Mommy, just really fast.
Edit it out.
Okay, so we're back. So that was the peach tree. Okay, so we have the next tree.
That's peach tree.
No, it's not the peach tree.
Which
No.
one?
That's the big,
Magnolia.
yeah, that's the big, huge flower one.
I've never seen them before.
It's
Do they have-
really
Do they
big.
have it in Hawaii?
Yeah, my friend has actually
Oh
that
wow,
tree.
I've never seen that.
It's huge, the
Oh,
flowers.
that's a willow.
Look at nice, because when they put
So
the
pretty.
person inside the drawing,
Oh,
you can see how
I
big the
didn't
tree.
see
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
So that's the
Very
willow
nice.
tree. I don't know what you call that. Whistler?
Whist. I don't know. What is that?
Mister. Did you say something like that?
Wisteria.
Oh, okay. And you get the little shrine. So the art is really, really nice. And then you get
It's
the
a
pavilion.
shrine. Pavilion. That's beautiful. Very Chinese.
And then you have the bridge.
Yeah. Wow.
So I guess the
Beautiful
icon is
bridge.
fine. I guess you can see it's real small, but
Mm-hmm.
you can pretty much can tell that's the bridge because you see the beautiful picture
Oh,
in
it's
the
a
bridge.
beautiful
Yeah.
Chinese style bridge.
Okay, so that's the decoration cards. Okay. There.
Can't wait to put it together.
Yeah. Okay. This is putting everything inside the box. We got the decoration cards. Let's put that there.
Wow. So colorful. 3D.
And then you put the character cards. Just put it in there. The main first tile there. So I just put the tokens, the landscape tokens, some coins this year. Here's something you can do. You just put the trees like this. They fit. I just was moving them around a little bit. They fit all the trees this way. You get your miniatures here. Then you can put all the tiles in here. Okay. Now I just put the extra tokens and stuff in here. Okay.
Nice organization.
Then you put the pavilion in here. Okay. They all fit in there. What you can do is put the bridge. There's 4, but you just put it on the side. And you can just put it in there and it'll fit. Yeah. There you go. So it should be fine because this fits the big, large landscapes can fit here, small ones in here, and then you can put the extra coins there. The key thing is putting the trees this way, then you can line them up. You can put it in here, but you only need a couple. But this way you can put all the trees and you don't have to take them apart. So hopefully that helps. And then, yeah. So that's how it is. Put that in. Yeah. So I'm working with one hand. You can put that in there. Okay, that's pretty much the Tang Garden. Fits that nicely.